Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video explain how to search YouTube watch history by date. So let's get started. Open the Chrome browser and search for Google Activity. Tap the first search result to access your Google Activity page. Select YouTube History from the available options. Scroll down and tap Manage History. Tap the calendar icon next to the search bar. Choose the specific date you want to check. Click Apply after selecting the date. Your YouTube watch history for that day will appear on the screen. Following these steps allows you to quickly find videos watched on a particular date. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.